Nililinda Mitihani na haikuibiwa. Hutaiba kura zetu. Your Excellency, Mr. President, you have once again misread the mood of the country. I don't know whether you have been misadvised or misread, but you have misread the mood of the country. Because you see, wale wengine tumefanya kazi nao kwa security wanajua. Ukiwa katika hiyo ofisi, kuna kitu ya muhimu inaitwa sentiment analysis, data from the ground and everything else. Mimi sijui kwamba whether they don't know or they don't care. Because that is there are two things. It's either they don't know or they don't care. People have refused the way in which we are running the country. Hii mambo hii kiburi ya kupika watu, goons na polisi na hii, watu wamekataa. Yale mambo tuliona jana, if I may speak about it. I have never imagined that in a country we have been independent for over 6 decades. At an international airport, Kisumu, you would actually position thugs to wait for members of parliament. The question I would like to ask them is this: what do they think is left of this country? You position thugs. Na police wanajua, because if I was in interior now, the regional police commander in Kisumu cannot tell me that hakujua wale wakora ni akina nani walikuwa huko. Wale watu wamepiga magari ya wajumbe mawe kwa roundabout hapo Kisumu wakafunja vioo. I mean, the regional security team cannot say kwamba hawajui ni akina nani walikuwa huko. Tangu kanisa Mwiki ipigwe, ukuje pande hii nyingine kanisa imepigwa, tumeenda Uitima kanisa imepigwa. Honestly speaking, you cannot say with the resources we have and the capacity we have as a country that you don't know what is going on. I repeat this again. Mr. President, you have once again misread the mood of the country. Because in 2024, when Gen Z were having demonstrations, again the government misread the mood of the country. We woke up one morning in a country that has been peaceful, citizens of the country who are armed with nothing overran parliament. And these citizens raised specific issues. Since that time, nobody, even this government, has been coherent enough in saying, this is what Gen Z were raising, and these are the solutions we have provided. Tukaendelea na sarakasi ya kawaida. Abracadabra ya cabinet, badilisha huyu, then you end up here, so on and so forth. Story, you know, and so on. You have once again misread the mood of the country. Mimi nafikiri, I am not a prophet and I have no credentials to prophesy. Tukiendelea hivi, we are headed the wrong direction. Na hiyo wrong direction, wakubwa wa serikali mutaiona nyinyi wenyewe karibuni. When you see the anger and the resistance and the pain that we saw yesterday, if I was in the security sector today, I would be very worried. Wananchi wamefika mahali, they are determined to face the tear gas, face the bullet, and make a point. So, do the right thing.